Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a fun project I recently completed, redesigning the gas line on a Chrysler Pacific. Now you might be wondering, why would you need to redesign a gas line? Well, let me tell you, it was a bit of a mess. The gas line was rusted, so it was leaking gas, and that's never a good thing. So I had to get out my special tools and redesign the whole thing. But don't worry, I'm a pro, and everything turned out just fine. In fact, it's now 100% good as new. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome projects and updates. Until next time, stay safe and keep on fixing.